Monster Peach Mango Tea, Celsius Peach Mango Tea, and then V8 Fusion Peach Mango. The Monster and the Celsius both have tea in it, and they're both pretty low calories. 25 calories for the Monster can, and 10 calories for the Celsius. The Monster has glucose for the sweetener, and this has sucralose, I guess. Celsius says no high fructose corn syrup. There's no high fructose corn syrup in the Monster either. I'm not really sure what the difference is between the glucose and the fructose, but anyway, even if there is sugar in it, it's not much because it's only 25 calories. And then the V8 is 50% juice, which is kind of V8's thing. They like blending juice with other things. And it does have tomato juice and carrot juice in it. But usually these V8 blends don't taste like tomato. And they all have caffeine. The Monster probably has guarana and taurine as well. I don't see it on there, so I'm not sure. Anyway, Monster has this deep tea color, this amber. And this one is much lighter. The Monster tea is one of my favorites. I know I like that one. I haven't tried this one before. That's definitely different. It has kind of a little bit of an aftertaste that the Monster doesn't have. Maybe a little bit more of a tea taste too. The Monster tastes kind of like if you were to buy a jug of peach iced tea, which is a little different than if you brewed your own tea. And then the V8. Yeah, that definitely has a thicker juice consistency, even though it doesn't really look any thicker, but if you ever had a V8 Splash or something similar to that, it has that similar flavor with a bit of a peach thrown into. It's pretty good. The Monster is still my favorite. Thanks for subscribing.